Rain Access Solutions.
I'm Glenn of Rain Access Solutions. Welcome to my vlog. On this episode of Rain Access Solutions, I'm just going to show you my latest purchase of solar light from Lazada. I purchased the BOSCA brand, but look at this. It's a fake. I got scammed. So instead of a BOSCA brand, the seller gave us something else. So I hope this is nice, but let's open it up and get all the stuffs from the box. Well, I'll be surprised. Look at this. The solar panel is really small. And it looks like a toy solar panel. It has 2 batteries also. And what do we have here? This is the main LED light with the batteries inside. And look at that, it is also small. The number of LEDs or the LEDs are fewer than the previous solar street lights that I purchased from the Lazada. Okay, here we have a remote control that controls the on and off, and we have this small manual. So there you go, it's a fake BOSCA brand. Now let's try and install it. It's already 30 minutes past 6 o'clock in the afternoon. There wasn't enough time to charge it, so the battery is flat. On the next day, the sun was up, but it's a bit cloudy, and there's a chance that it's going to rain. And as you can see, there's not enough sunlight to charge it, but it's fine. There's the other solar light that we previously bought, and it's also charging up. As expected, the rain fell onto our solar light. It was not a heavy rain, but a rain nevertheless. So here we go, the time is 30 minutes past 6 in the afternoon again, and our solar lights are already up and running. This is the steps that I wanted to illuminate. That's why we put this new solar light on this wall so I can see this pathway. As opposed to its intensity the other day, it is now shining brightly in its full charge. There you can see that we have successfully got what we're intending to do, which is to illuminate this footpath. It's 10:25 in the evening and we're about to go to sleep now. I'm just going to leave it like this and see if it's still up till tomorrow morning. It's now on its 3rd day now, and it's 31 minutes past 6 in the morning. I didn't catch it turning off, but it's fine and it's still charging. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel and have a nice day, everyone.